welcome back to another video. Okay, so we are we're in the middle of slime, but we're gonna just show you what we got and how we started it. So we first got this big Elmer's gallon of glue. We got some contact solution, which this is not contact solution, Gavin.
Yes, it's just
this is liquid, and if we thought it worked, it didn't. So then we got some contact solution that I had here and baking soda. So we added some colors. So I added this color. It's like a turquoise color. It's really nice. Then Gavin added purple and blue.
It's Doogs.
It's Goaty. Yeah.
It's Goaty.
So we're gonna start adding contact solution and baking soda to hope it would form.
Okay.
So just add a little bit.
You guys can tell all the slime on here. We make slime a lot. Well, not me, but I make slime.
So then we're gonna add a little bit of baking soda to start off with.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna help him. Okay.
Do you guys go for French fries or potatoes and carrots in the oven? French fries?
So we're gonna keep mixing to hope it will start. That's a lot there, buddy.
That might be like stringy.
Okay, there we go. Now it's like starting to form. I think it was just like needing more activation, which is okay. Yeah, now it's really coming together. Yours is right here, bud.
Well, I can't open it. It's impossible. Oh. Sorry, I wasn't really trying there.
Sure. So it's getting much harder to mix and cooperate with. I recommend to not put that on your shirt because it can get on your shirt.
So I would recommend to get a napkin.
Or just wear old clothes, or just...
We used to wear old clothes, but now we wear new ones. No, I was kidding.
Yeah, this is my new clothes.
This is my old clothes. I didn't, yeah.
She didn't really know we were going to be doing this right now. Oh, it's right there. All right.
Oh, we didn't even show them what color it is.
Yeah, I did.
This is my color.
And this is my color.
It might be a little different for you guys because
You're in a camera. It's much more bright and nicer in person.
it's calm. It makes you calm.
It's like the color of your room.
It actually
Sadie got a newspaper or like mail.
Where?
Oh, she's chewing on it.
Oh, okay, get it.
Okay. So
Why don't you show everybody your dog?
we did.
She just jumped up on me. She's like, ah!
Sadie, you got here.
Here, I'll get
I could turn.
You're already at that step?
Yes. So I'm just trying to get this stuff off the sides because like some of the on the sides is like different than on the middle because it's like not that activated. How do I sound on that? Okay. I'm gonna move everything to the side so we can start like deforming or not deforming, playing with it for you guys, and, like making it. So then I do have containers that we can use, Gavin. So make sure you get all the slime off the sides because we're gonna make another one, right, Gavin?
Mm-hmm.
Gonna make.
Oh God, this
more.
is good. Can you guys give me a napkin, please?
No. I'm gonna show you what you do. Ready? Boom, boom, boom. See?
Okay,
You're
well,
good.
I'm gonna go get it.
Let me just help you, okay?
You should rub your hands. That's so much, Nana. It's gonna be stringy.
No, look at mine. Is mine stringy? Mine's not stringy.
Made the sides come off.
Mine's still like a little bit, mine's still pretty sticky.
You guys keep playing with it. My tip.
So I think it's nice. So I'm gonna add something in it, like accessory. Might do these flowers. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do these flowers. These are really pretty. At least they don't go flying everywhere like glitter. The background noise is my mom. Mom, want to say hi? Hi. Hi.
She's opening the fridge.
Yes, Gavin.
Yes, queen.
So I just am adding them in, and it's really, really nice. This is my slime. It reminds me of like Hawaii. I'm gonna go show my mom.
Ooh, that's
You want to
pretty.
feel? Do you see the difference from the other glue that I had? From this glue?
Yeah.
Do you see it feel?
Oh, yeah, it feels good. It feels neat and squishy. You guys doing okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go talk to your dad.
Hey, what
about
if-
what
can
you're
I-
talking about
Can
earlier.
can I show her my slime?
Come on. Sure.
Come here, mommy.
Okay, we're gonna put that on the side. And we're gonna scoop all this stuff off the edge.
Sadie's gonna stink because he's smoking.
Okay, I won't.
So, I'm gonna do those Insta swirls. Do you need help? I think I kind of overactivated mine. But that's okay. Let me get containers.
Oh, that's good.
Oh my god! Bruh, high five! No, you're okay. So, no, you're fine. Here. It's fine. Yeah, play with mine.
Did you see Shady's
Let's
knife?
rate each other. So we're gonna rate each other's slime, y'all. Y'all. So rate my slime, and I'll rate yours. I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna.
No, actually, I'm gonna rate it a 9 out of 10 because it's still a little bit sticky, but maybe that's just me.
I'm gonna rate this an 8.5 out of 10.
It's kind of stiff, huh?
But I mean, look
really
at this.
nice.
Ready? Look at this. Ready?
I know.
No.
I don't. Mine isn't the best slime ever.
But it's still.
Ow! No, my favorite.
What?
He just posted a video. He's my favorite YouTuber. Except, yeah, basically.
I know what I'm gonna do.
Some blue fish beads.
Be careful with those so Sadie doesn't get them, okay? Here, add them in your bowl and do it from that.
Yeah, that's what I'm
So
gonna do.
here is the containers. So do you want to name them or no?
That's enough. Let me just put them on. Mine will be.
Mine's
Ocean
gonna be
Light.
Hawaiian Punch.
Mine's gonna be Ocean Light.
Sadie.
All right. So we have these labels I got from Christmas. Oh, pick that slime up and this one. So I'm just adding that to the cap. And then do you want me to do yours for you?
Yes.
Or you add your later because I can't find yours.
I'm gonna crack this little door for him.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna label it with my pen.
Sadie and him, maybe.
I know. Okay.
This feels nice. It's one of the best slimes I've ever done. Want to do another?
So can you go this way, please? Those away, please.
This?
No,
The
no,
pink.
This, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make.
My dog is drinking water.
Hawaiian punch. I just need a Hawaiian punch because the.
Gav's Wonder World is mine. No, I'm just kidding.
Oops. Let's not label it. Because the pen smudges it.
That's true. But I want you guys to look at this. And then we come from here. Ava, my bubble. Ava, I can make a bubble for you. You ready? You ready, Ava? Wait, it's not done. You missed it. Okay. Just hear this, guys.
Comment down below if you guys want like a room tour.
I did a room tour for me, but I haven't done it with the new one. So maybe
Like tomorrow we can do it or something.
yeah. Okay.
Me and Gavin are going to be doing sibling vlogs every
Every one
Friday
day a
and
week.
Saturday.
Yeah. Ava, keep missing them, bro.
Oh, what?
It went up to my hair and back up the body figure.
Okay, Gavin, put that in the bowl. Time to make our nether one. Okay, I recommend. I think we're doing like really good. Okay, put it inside that. No, it's fine. Just put it in there. Okay. It's like parts and those things. So now we're going to make the other one. Where's Sadie? She's over here. Ooh. Okay, I think I'm gonna make this one just plain white. Yeah, I'm gonna plain. Do you need help?
No,
Okay. Plain white.
I don't know. I'm gonna. Oh, I got my. Here, you can not do it. Can you hold the bowl, please?
I need Danielle. I'm just kidding. And then put the cap on it. Okay, that's good. So we're adding solution. Iron solution.
This is the cap. I almost dropped it in there.
Yeah, don't buy this.
Does not work.
No, my friend on YouTube also said like don't buy this.
Is it me that said it on YouTube?
Said me. No, oop. I think it's gonna be fine because she's on YouTube. I'm gonna make this one a butter slime, so I'm gonna make it stickier.
I'm gonna make mine more slimy.
I'm gonna make mine a butter slime, but I'm also gonna make it white. This is white clay.
I'm gonna make mine squish.
Sure.
Put it. What's ready?
What?
I have an idea.
Okay, I'm gonna just add more saline solution. So guys, we are going to do like everything in time lapse and then we'll just post that because this is like, I feel bad it's gonna take so long. So, yeah. We're gonna do in time lapse, so we're gonna post this. The next video is gonna be part 2 of time lapse.